Yes. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Dr. Arun Panda, and we are done with our 6 days facial aesthetic workshop. And I had a very inquisitive batch with us today, all the 7. I would say the most inquisitive doctors with me this time. Thank you so much. And all these guys are from this different parts of the country, and I would actually, I was trying to share with you guys. You were so inquisitive. You asked me so many questions, and in between, I had to actually scratch my head so many times. That was really nice, and kind of helped me to think, and I could, kind of at least think about what you guys wanted, and think what I can share more and more with you guys. That was really nice. That's a whole hearted experience which I would like to share with you, Bash. But honestly speaking, I really had a great time with you guys. Now I would like you guys to share your experiences with what you had with me, with my staff here, and with my this thing. Where do we start from? Where do we start from?
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Ladies first. Okay.
So
Maybe I think she is number one. Let's start with her. Dr. Actually, chalo.
Hello, this is Dr. Ashwini Patel. I have come all the way from Nasik to learn from Arun sir and Aarti ma'am. I wanted to start with my own facial aesthetics practice. I am a general dentist, and we begin with theory lectures initially, and after that we went through vigorous hands-on training on patients for past 3 days. And at the end of this course, I am feeling happy and confident to go back to my clinic and start with my aesthetic practice. I really want to thank Dr. Arun Panda sir and Dr. Aarti ma'am for the efforts they have taken for us. And I love the center, this center also. The clinic is very beautiful, the staff is well trained. So thank you so much, sir.
Tell me something. Did you actually get what you expected, and could we deliver what was there in your mind?
Yes, I got what I wanted to learn. My focus was more on skin, and I have no dermatology background. But yet, at the end of the course, I know what to do independently in my clinic. So I am feeling pretty confident.
Thank you so much.
That's so nice. That's so nice. So nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Ashwini. Okay, so who would be next? Confused.
Hi, this is Dr. Aditya. I basically practice in Mumbai, and the 3 days hands-on workshop was excellent. Sir and ma'am, they've put the whole of aesthetics and cosmetic, in just a cake in a plate fashion. Everything was clearly understood. Maybe it is the comprehensive treatment plan for, every, whether it is skin, hair, or anything, like the pigmentation and everything, the equipments, the machinery, and everything was so neatly and so clearly explained. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
It has actually given us confidence, to take a step in the aesthetic practice further. Thank you.
I think that's what our aim was. That you guys,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So who would be next? Dr. Raghavendra. He is a cleft surgeon from Jodhpur. Let us see what, from such a huge surgical background, and what is it like to be on a aesthetic this thing. That's okay. You can take out the speaker. That's fine. That's okay. Don't worry. I mean, we are good enough to have that kind of sound. It's fine.
Hi, this is Dr. Raghavendra, and I am from Jodhpur, and I've been a maxillofacial surgeon ever since I passed out. But I always was inquisitive about facial aesthetic and things like that. One of my senior colleague and my best friend suggested Dr. Arun Panda's place, and I am glad I am here. And it was more than what I had expected, much more than what I had thought of. It has given me a new perspective about this beautiful field which was unexplored in my surgical practice all throughout. And sir has been very nice, very kind, has been very friendly. There is no sir thing or madam thing here. We were more our friends like here. And it was not all theory and no practical thing. It was all practically oriented, something which we can take home on a day-to-day basis, how to handle the patients, how to convince the patients what you need, what you don't need. And madam as I said before also, she's been the pillar of success, I think.
That is true. That's really true.
And the beautiful setup here itself, and all the staff, support staff, they've been fantastic. All thanks to you guys also. And overall, it was very good. And I'm taking something back home, which is worthwhile. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bolo sir. Rajput sir.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Narpas Singh Rajput. I'm a periodontist from Mumbai, and basically I was following sir for last 4 years, and sir's work is like in field of facial aesthetic is tremendous, and I was a big fan of him, and I got an opportunity to meet him and get trained under him, so that was my luck basically. और हर कोई सिखाता नहीं है, सिखाने के इंटेंशन से कोर्सेज करता नहीं है, बट सर के इंटेंशन हमेशा सिखाने के लिए होते हैं, क्योंकि वो कॉम्पिटिटर्स तैयार नहीं करते हैं, वो कोलैबोरेशन तैयार करते हैं. तो वो हमने सर के अंदर एक अच्छी खूबी देखी है. तो आई विल आस्क एवरीवन who want to explore facial aesthetics, at least all over the world, anyone who wants to learn in facial aesthetics, he is the best guy and the best name in the field. And Dr. Aarti ma'am, she is also in perio, she is my senior. So बहुत कुछ मैम सीखने मिला है. Thank you ma'am, and the staff, very lovely staff actually. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, madam, what do you have to say?
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha, a dentist from Mumbai. I would really thank Dr. Arun Panda and Dr. Aarti ma'am for taking so much of efforts for teaching us. I mean, the 6 days were just amazing. 3 days of online lectures and then 3 days hands-on practical things were just amazing. And their teaching style, being very friendly and teaching us to the core, was just very lovely. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Yes, ma'am. All yours.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shilpa. I'm a dermatologist from Pune. So this is a fantastic setup of Dr. Aarti and Dr. Panda sir. Whatever we have done, it is all basic concept and everything is really cleared in the 6 days of training. All thanks to a wonderful Dr. Arun sir. He is very knowledgeable, and he just likes to clear all your doubts, and he clears every concept of yours. And thank you, Dr. Aarti ma'am. she is so friendly, and she explains the procedures very well. The setup is really good, and thanks to all the staff for their support. Yeah, thank you.
Dr. Shilpa. So before we go to Dr. Shamal, Dr. Aarti, you would like to say something about this lovely batch?
No, I would definitely say this is one of the very best batches, very inquisitive, and these 3 days, I would say it was a learning curve for us also, because there were so many questions. So as I said, we actually had to rake our mind and think what next. So I wish you all a very best, and I hope you all become very famous aesthetic practitioners.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Dr. Shamal. Before I give the last part, I think
Hi, I'm Dr. Sharma. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon from Bangalore. So I heard about sir from another aesthetic practitioner who is also very famous, and he suggested that I should go to Dr. Arun. If you want to start your aesthetic practice, the only place or the best place for you to be is Dr. Arun Panda. That is what he told me, and I did not think. I just called him, and he was because he's very senior in maxillofacial field. I was very much tense. Like, should I call him? What will he think? Okay, that is there for a junior. So he was very friendly. He told me, don't worry, just take it easy, just come. So the best thing I like about him is that he speaks scientific things. That is the key point here. He speaks only scientific things. There is nothing like unscientific, like it's all evidence-based practice only. That is what I like about him. And sir will talk evidence-based, and then when you go to the therapy room, ma'am will just explain everything so beautifully, it will just be in your mind. I think it's whatever we have done here is just enough to just start your career in facial aesthetic. At least start is the first step. That's what I feel. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for helping us out with this. I never thought that within 3 days we'll be able to cover everything. Because the first day when we started, slightly it was going above. Then slowly it started getting into the head. Then I think by the last day, even Aarti ma'am was telling that you guys are only giving me the answers, you are only deciding the treatment plan. So I think they've just molded us like that we'll give the answers. They keep it very simple, but yeah, at the same time it's scientific. So I think we should really applaud for ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And I would really thank all of you guys to have come here and joined us here for this workshop. And as Dr. Rajput just mentioned, we have never ever thought of creating our competitors. It is all about the fraternity growing, the doctors growing, and people working more and more. See, India is a country where there is no end to the number of patients, no end to the indications. The more we work in this field, the field is going to grow more and more. So there is no competition as such in this. So the more you work, the more it is going to open up. It's something like that. It's something like the mobile companies. When there was no mobile, it used to be there. But the mobile, when companies started, the counts just kept on increasing, and it's still increasing. In the same way, when we start working more and more, it's not only for me, for you guys also. The more you work, it's going to just open, and the new windows and doors are going to open up. So, guys, I think it's time you should. You all are very young, except for me and Dr. Raghavendra. But then I think you guys are too young now. It's a good step. It's a good field to venture into, and Shilpa has been doing some cosmetic work now. I'm sure she would be, kind of benefited with this. But then I think it is a good time. You should venture into it. It's a big field, as I said. Guys, go ahead, do it, and I'm always there behind you, standing. Anything, anywhere, you can just let me know. I'll be there for your help. That is not a problem. That's my assurance, which I have told you from day one. As always there from my side. And if you require anything, I'm always there. And again, good luck. God bless you all, and thank you all for coming in here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
We can say 1, 2, 3. You rock.
Thank you.